Frankie diamonds. Stole $500,000 from me and my associates. He's using our cash to bankroll his exit. Do you think we're noisy? Wait till the cartel and the IRA come knocking.
Machetes and grenade launchers, they can spill a few stacks of chips.
We just want Frankie.
You can even keep the cash.
Make a call.
Follow us. But if you're telling me a story, kid, this ain't gonna be such a beautiful sunshiny day here in the splendor of the lakes. You understand?
Not exactly, but I think I get the point.
Restraints? Mr. Delaney likes to stick shit in people's